This is totally free. Wow. That's what I'm talking about. Look at all these animals.
What is that? Oh! Wow, guys, look at that. Look at that, Jamey. Look at that.
And take it away. What are these?
Size makes a difference. Different science experiments.
I think it's a magnetic thing, you see?
I don't know something alive that's magnetized.
No.
Like that.
Here you go.
And whoa.
It looks like a life form.
Remember you watched the cartoon, what are the 8? And there was nanobots.
It's like magnetic.
Uh-huh.
They're nanobots.
Nanobots, you see?
That's cool.
What this?
Richard says, "What's this?"
Richie, you can do that
Is this
too.
alive?
No.
Why?
It's just magnetic force.
So what?
Magnetic force. You know we have magnets on the
So
refrigerator. Let me go to the bathroom.
Okay. Eastern tiger salamander.
Copper. Tino. I don't know what
There he is. He's just chilling like a villain.
It's a snake, yes. There's a green snake and there's another snake.
Fish.
I see a snake is right here, green one. Jamey, you want to see it? So
Richard, what is it? What is it? Come see the bobcat. Where's the bobcat? There he is. He's a kitty. What is that?
Perfect kitty.
It's a kitty cat?
Perfect kitty.
It's a big kitty.
Perfect kitty.
Look at him. He looks like a house cat, but just big. You can read about him. Just pause the video. Ta-da! Wow. He's just chilling. All right, we are here at the Austin Nature Center. We're gonna dig up some dinosaur bones. There's a cool pond here. And we have got a pecan tree. The state tree of Texas, y'all. We used to have pecan trees in our yard when I was a kid in our house on Bluebonnet Street. This is a pecan tree. You ready to go walk?
Okay.
All right, go walk, go walk. Let's go dig up some dinosaur bones. All right, we're at the Dino Pit. Jamey's already got started digging up them dinos. Richard's saying, let's go, let's go. Okay, we're going. Okay, let's go. Dig out some dinosaurs. Are these real?
I don't know, probably not.
It looks real.
Hey, Daddy, can I get a different shovel from the
Look at this. This looks like a
Go ahead, take it.
shoulder blade or something here.
Возьми другой вот этот.
I wanted to be a paleontologist when I was a kid. Dig up them bones. There's some bones over here. Look like leg bones. Wow. So holy shnikes. Look at this. It's a full skull, a full skeleton. We found it. Wow. Look at this. Pleistocene, Tertiary, Cretaceous, the Permian. Where's Jurassic? Hey, look, dinosaur tracks. Look at all this stuff over here. It's so neat. It says, do the right thing. Haz lo correcto. You can pause the video and read all that. Yep. Oh, look at that. Is that a mammoth? It looks like a mammoth tusk. What? Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Pause the video if you want to learn more. Whoa, they got a whole rib cage to enter. Nice. All right, you can pause the video if you want to read all this. Dinosaurs rule. Totally rule. This is such a beautiful nature park here in Austin, Texas. Yep, tons of stuff to learn about the dinosaurs. Again, pause the video. You want to learn all this stuff about all these animals and dinosaurs and stuff. Wow. They're still busy over there digging up bones. Richard and Jamey, junior paleontologists. So cute. They brought their own shovels. Some random girl on the beach in Alabama, at Orange Beach near Gulf Point, Gulf Shores, gave us these shovels at the beach. She's like, we're done with them, y'all can take them. So we got these all the way in Alabama, and we brought them to the Dino Pit. All right, let's dig up some dinosaur bones. Richard, are you digging up dinosaur bones? Jamey's digging.
Digging with my hand because
Richard's getting a shovel. He's gonna dig up a T-Rex skull. Or maybe some velociraptors. Yeah, dig it up. Find some dinosaur bones, Richie. He said, okay.
It's easier to use this shovel then.
Richie, oh look, you found a bone here. He said, ta-da. That looks like a brachiosaurus leg. Or well, they don't call it a brontosaurus anymore. It's a patasaurus or something. They always change their names sometimes, scientists. Yeah. So cool.
Now that we can go to the printers.
Did you guys find a bone?
Well, I mean, it's like a big one.
It's a big one. Use the brush, Jamey. Unearth the discovery.
Let me check this side.
Is it a T-Rex? Is it a Triceratops?
is it cold?
Maybe a Stegosaurus?
What is it?
I don't know.
This is a part of it.
Yeah, it's a part of it.
You found something. Here comes Richard. Okay, we think this find right here is connected to this one here. It looks like it's a giant bone we've discovered. Maybe a femur of some gigantic
I think
dinosaur.
this could be a rib cage.
You think it's got a rib cage?
Like I think the longest bone in the body is the rib cage, right?
Maybe. All right, let's go on the nature trail. Are you guys ready? Nature trail, forest trail. Okay, we're gonna go down the switchbacks. You wanna go down the stairs? We got the stroller, Jamey, so we're going around the switchbacks. Look at the nature. Nature trail. Beautiful Austin nature. Oh, Jamey's already down there. He's so quick. He's blazing through this nature. So he had a lot of fun. Whee!
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Have a great time. Whee! Oh, Richard's like having fun. Look at this big tree. Whoa. Mommy's over here. Don't cry, Richie. There's Mommy. Let's go to Mommy. Here's Mommy. Here's Mommy. No cry. No cry. Can you push him? He wants, or hold your hand. He wants to hold your hand. Oh. I think this is the end of the nature trail. And there, over there.
Look at that. Fossils.
Fossils.
Yes.
Whoa. That's amazing.
There's another one. I think those are real.
Yeah, they look real.
Yes. Oh, there's another one.
Look, this is the freeway of Austin. There's Austin skyline over there. We parked under the bridge at the parking lot over there. Under the bridge downtown in Austin. Austin Nature and Science Center. Oh, we gotta cross the road.
Give me a hand.
Under the freeway. All right, we're here at the parking lot. You ready? You want to play? You got to hit it really hard. Here, let me show you. Watch. Watch, here, I'll help you. There you go. Like this. Yeah, like that. Choo-choo. Choo-choo. Richie. Choo-choo. Oh, look at that. It's a floating ball. Put it on the top. Whoa, look at that. Floating balls. Whoa. It's the planet Earth. Gosh, there's so many daddies. So many Daddy Russells. Where you going, Richie? You like the balls? Whoa, it goes all the way up. Wow. So cool. Now put it inside, Richard. Put it inside. Whoa, it goes all the way up. Whoa. Discover the power of air. Here goes Richard. Whoa, we're at the THINKERY in Austin, Texas. It's a children's museum here. Very cool. Yeah, look at that. Woo! Wow, there it comes down again. Well, you caught it. Good job.